Alright guys, I want to go over with you this Riva Stage 1 kit on the 2021 Yamaha FXHO Cruiser. Some of the issues that I had. So basically, I did install the Riva Stage 1 kit and it was hitting the limiter. So it was going to, I think, 8,400 on the RPMs. So I had to bring it down. The stock impeller, I think, is 1113 that it recommends. For me, that didn't work. I had to go up to 1217, which I thought was a huge difference, but it worked, and it brought it back down to 78 to 7900. I'm not really sure what happened there, but all my seals are good. I don't have any cavitation, I don't think. So it's going pretty quick, and you guys are going to see that pretty soon. Gonna go over with you guys quick mods. I just put a cold air, or sorry, a K&N cold air intake on the throttle body. I didn't want to spend the crazy amount that Riva was charging just to have it go a little bit to the left. It does what it's supposed to do. Ribbon delete in the throttle body. I do have the engine breather. Riva Stage 1 tune, of course. The Riva water box. The rear exhaust, which is, it sounds awesome. If you want to take a look at that, go and watch one of my previous videos. It sounds sweet. Trying to make this quick for you. I do have the intake grate by Riva, so we're gonna, I just got that yesterday, so I'm curious to see how that feels out there. And my ride plate is stock, which is disappointing because I bought it over a month and a half ago. Late March, it's 28 May, still don't have it. That's what the rear exhaust looks like. Looks cool, sounds cool. Back here, I did do a trim extension, which made a huge difference. I think that's like a $40 or $50 part, so super cheap, but it does bring up the front of the boat a ton. So in the open ocean, when there's waves, it makes a big difference, huge difference. It feels like it's pointing straight up. It's pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. So I do have the 52 number on the side, doing the Long Beach to Catalina race in July. And for my GPS, I'm running the Garmin 64 ST. So we're gonna be taking a speed test on that and on my phone to make sure that they're both the same. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get out there and show you guys how fast it goes. Alright guys, so I have the Riva Stage 1 kit on the ski. I have the speed data from the Garmin, verified speed. So basically what I'm doing is I'm comparing the stock intake rate to the Riva intake rate. I was at 65.4 miles per hour before the install of the Riva. So here is what I got. 58.5 miles per hour. That's a 6.5 mile an hour reduction, which is crazy. I don't get it. You pay more money, you go slower. I just cannot figure this whole thing out. Although one of the things that I do like about the Riva intake rate was the hookup was so much better in the rough water. Out there today, it was definitely better than the stock. However, if it's flat outside, I'm probably going to switch it back to the stock because I want to go 65.4 miles per hour, not 58.5. That's a big difference. So for the Long Beach to Catalina race, I'm going to take both of them with, swap them out, whatever one suits that the best. That's what I'm going to use. So here's the data. Data does not lie. The installation, I did it per their specs. I put silicone, everything. I bought the seal kit. I did everything correct. So it is what it is. I do like the hookup though. If you guys had a different experience, if you had this issue and then it got fixed, please let me know. I am going to actually roll to a couple of clips of me jumping waves and stuff and put some cool beats to it. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks.